Let's make delicious khinkali. Pour 800 grams of flour into a bowl. Pour 300 milliliters of water, 1 egg, and a pinch of salt into a cup and stir. Pour the mixture into the flour. Knead the dough. Transfer the dough to a bag. Put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Take the dough out of the refrigerator, add flour and mix again. Put it back in the refrigerator for 3 hours. Prepare the filling. For this, you will need 1 finely chopped onion, 600 grams of minced meat, 100 milliliters of water, paprika, salt, cilantro. Mix everything together. Remove the dough from the refrigerator. Cut into pieces. Roll out the dough so that it is thin. Place the filling on top and seal the dough. Add salt to the water and place all the khinkali in it. Cook for 10 minutes. Our khinkali are ready. Bon appetit!